Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing almond and gold chocolate ice cream. It's incredibly creamy and luxurious and so easy to make. To give my luxurious ice cream a truly unique flavor and a distinguished aroma, I'm relying on a whole Tonka bean. Grate the Tonka bean over 400 grams of full-fat milk. If you don't have access to Tonka beans, use a vanilla pod instead. To 50 grams of skim milk powder, add 50 grams of xylitol. And to these, add 2 grams of xanthan gum. Use a tiny whisk or a fork to mix them together. This way, the gum won't form lumps when you add it to the liquid. Place the milk on the smallest flame and add 100 grams of almond paste. Gently warm the milk on the smallest flame while whisking constantly, and then gradually add the dry ingredients. Don't stop whisking. Keep whisking until the mixture reaches a temperature of 60 degrees Celsius. At this point, cut the heat and take it away from the stove. Pour the hot almond and Tonka cream over 100 grams of gold chocolate and let it sit for 2 minutes. Then start stirring gently. Gold chocolate is caramelized white chocolate and you can make it yourself, but I chose to make my life easier and I bought it. After stirring it for a minute, blend it for 2 minutes on high speed. As you blend it, you'll notice how the texture improves. Then give the blender a little break and take the spatula to scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl. Then add 300 grams of cold whipping cream and blend again for 2 more minutes. This'll give you a super smooth and creamy ice cream, truly outstanding in texture. Cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface and let it rest in the fridge for 8 hours. After that time has passed, peel away the plastic and give it a good stir with a silicone spatula. You'll notice that it thickened a lot, and that's to be expected. That's the xanthan gum at work. Then blend it again for another 2 minutes. Just look how silky smooth it's become. Absolutely beautiful. And the fragrance, you gotta try this. Pour this beautiful mix into your ice cream machine and churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Mine takes about 30 to 40 minutes for this recipe. In the meantime, freeze a glass casserole so the ice cream doesn't melt when you put it in. And look at that! So beautiful! Give it a thumbs up. It deserves it. And consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. The ice cream is simply too soft to be served right now. So level it with your silicone spatula and freeze it for 8 hours. It needs that time to set completely. After 8 hours in the freezer, the ice cream's gonna be quite hard and it's gonna need a little bit of time to soften up. So let it sit on a counter for 10 minutes. Because it's so rich and creamy, and because of the use of the xanthan gum and the skim milk powder, this gold chocolate ice cream scoops out beautifully. The xanthan gum gives it a full-bodied mouthfeel without the need to use egg yolks, and it also keeps the ice cream from melting too fast. I like to decorate it with some almond flakes to add a little bit of crunch, more gold chocolate, this time finely chopped, and some edible flowers. Here I used pansies. Give this recipe a try. You're not going to regret it, I promise you. Until next time, dessert lovers.